Hello and welcome to the UT Tyler Muntz Library video on APA 7, Setting Up Your Paper. This video does not cover everything about APA style or all the changes in the 7th edition. We'll focus on highlighting some of the more noticeable differences that we think you should know regarding the formatting and styling of your papers. For complete information, always refer to the relevant sections of the publication manual. The new 7th edition of the APA Publication Manual was released in an effort to make it easier to create, style, and read papers written with newer types of sources. But you should also follow your instructor's guidelines as they may have more specific criteria set for an assignment, such as specifications for your title page. Your APA style student paper will typically include a title page and the body of your paper, followed by your reference list. It is important to note that there is now a student version of the title page. Unless your instructor says otherwise, include the following elements in your title page: title of your paper, name of authors, affiliation of authors, course number and name, instructor name, and the assignment due date. Your title page is page 1, and page numbers continue on every page throughout your paper, located in the upper right in the page header. Notice that there is no running head. Requirements for the running heads have changed in the 7th edition. Unless your instructor requires it, student papers don't need to include a running head. The 7th edition also allows for a variety of fonts, taking into account accessibility needs and the differences in devices. Just remember, besides exceptions like footnotes or figures, the same font should be used for your whole paper. The 7th edition now recommends only one space after the end of a sentence. Also, quotation marks instead of italics are used for linguistic examples. When using headings in your paper, note that the APA 7th edition does change how levels 3, 4, and 5 headings should be formatted. The APA 7th edition includes an expanded guidance section on capitalization, as well as formatting specifications for tables and figures. Another notable change of the new 7th edition relates to writing inclusively and respectfully. Chapters 4 and 5 provide guidelines for bias-free language use, and the singular they is endorsed. If you do not yet have a copy of the 7th edition of the APA Publication Manual, come to the library. We have a copy that you can use for in-library use only. The APA Style website, apastyle.apa.org, is also a great source for APA Style information, as well as the Online Writing Center, or OWL, from Purdue University. If you still have any questions or need help with using APA Style for your assignment, feel free to contact the Muntz Library.